Let's create this model with the help of Lofted boss base tool using Centerline parameter. Now see, this is a tapered model. Now this outer diameter, one side diameter 150, the top diameter 30 millimeter, and the distance between these two are 800 millimeter, and the pitch here it shows 200 millimeter. See, if pitch 200 millimeter, if you divide it, then you will get 4 revolution. Okay. Then tapered angle here shows 150 degree and the base diameter 500 millimeter. So let's try. And here also some written tapered angle 15 degree, start angle 0 degree, and these all dimensions are in millimeter. Now first let's activate any one plane. So top plane is suitable for our job. So click sketch, activate circle tool. Now activate smart dimension, apply 500 millimeter, say yes. Now go to feature, and here if you drop down the curves, you will find option helix and spiral. Either first go to exit, then activate helix and spiral section view. Now first I am going to choose pitch and revolution because this is available in our drawing. Constant size, pitch 200, length 800, then it's divided by, you will see here height 800 millimeter because 400 revolution selected, start angle 0 degree. Here we selected tapered angle 15 degree. If you uncheck, see it is going to be straight, but we need tapered. So it's 15 degree. It is going outward, just uncheck the box inward. Say OK. Now the bottom circular face is profile is 150 degree. So check this is coincide with right plane. So simply activate right plane, sketch, activate circle. Now here draw one circle and keep the diameter 150. Right click, exit. Now here select the arc, hold control key and select the center point, and here you will get option pierce. See, if you pierce, see this is going to be black and it is fully defined sketch. Now simply exit. Now this also lies on the particular plane, but there is one more option. If you want to apply a circle on this perpendicular, so simply go to plane. First reference, choose this arc. Now second, select the end point of this arc. See, if you see relations, constraint, this perpendicular and coincide. Okay. Sketch, activate circle tool. Now this diameter is 30 millimeter. Now the same thing, select arc, select the center point, and you will get this option, make pierce. This is fully defined sketch. Exit. Right click on the plane or hide it. Now activate Lofted boss base feature. Now first you need to select profile. So I am going to choose these two profile. Now see, there is no any thing something like this. Even if you change this path, now guided curve, it is for advanced control. You need more than 1 or 2 or 3 so that you will get perfect control. But if you are going to use here center line parameter, if I am going to choose this one, see this is going to take the path of center of both the profile. Now here you will see section view. If you increase, you will see this yellow color section view. It will show you how it looks like, preview. Say OK. That's it. Let me apply a material brushed finish. Even I'm going to change color. Okay. So this is simple tutorial. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.